was going to do this, to be honest with you. I was hoping. But it wasn't fine.
Lucky girl.
Oh, she's going to have a sugar rush. This is not fine.
Oh, it's going to be hilarious. She's going to be like the card.
Oh my gosh! Oh, there it goes. It's gonna, Bill, hurry, grab it. Bill.
Huh?
Grab the part that's going to
The bunny's gonna break.
And don't give it
Don't
back
go.
to her.
Yeah.
Like taking candy from a baby.
Yay! Sugar bunnies!
Okay.
You want a baggie?
Put all these here.
Well, that's bad. Another generation.
Hopefully she pick up the right brown thing out here.
Yeah! Yay! What is that, Holly? Chocolate bunnies. It's a chocolate bunnies.
Don't worry, Grandpa's just saving your buddy from Oscar.
I love
Like
it.
a bunny.
I love it.
Those little pants are cute, huh?
I like it.
Well, I hope they survive this.
They'll be okay. They're already kind of stained.
That's
But
great.
they're supposed to be long pants. They're 12 months.
They look adorable rolled up.
But yeah, so